Hey everyone, Mr. Mudden here with another IA review video. This video is on conversions, namely converting percents to fractions and fractions to percents. Let's jump right into it. 60% of Ms. Jackson's class passed the IA. What fraction of the class passed the IA? Two ways to solve it. Way number one is using our common conversions. I know from my common conversions that 60% is equivalent to 3/5. So that means that 60% of Ms. Jackson's class passed the IA. The fraction that passed the IA is 3/5. Another way to solve this, if you don't have your common conversions memorized, is to use the algorithm. We know that percent means out of 100, so that means that the denominator of any percentage is 100. So that means that this fraction, 60 out of 100, is a fraction, but we need to simplify. So let's go ahead and start simplifying. I know that my least common, or my greatest common factor is going to be 20. So I'm going to divide the numerator and denominator by 20 and get 3/5. If you were not able to find all of the common factors, it is possible still to simplify it. We just might need to take some more steps. Let's first try dividing by 10 because I see that both end in zeros. Get 6 over 10. 6 over 10, I think both are divisible by 2. That gives me 3/5 as well. So that means that the fraction of the class that passed the IA is 3/5. Let's take a look at problem number 2. Scott got 4 out of 5 questions right on his quiz. The shaded part of the figure below represents the part of the quiz that Scott got correct. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded in, 5 altogether. What fraction of the quiz did Scott get correct? Well, that's easy. Denominator is the total number of chunks, and there are 5 chunks in total. And the numerator is the number that he got correct, which is 4. Common conversions, I know that 4/5 is equivalent to 80%. So that means that the percent of the quiz that Scott got correct was 80%. Best of luck, children, on your studying for the IA.